Okay, we're doing a quick video on neutralization reactions. I'm just going to pick a couple of these. Let's start with B. We got to write the balanced chemical equation for the neutralization reaction. Okay, so let's start with H2CO3 plus SrOH2. Well, we know that water is going to be produced, and then we also know that these two things will combine, like the CO3 and the SR, because remember that's the H over here and the OH that form the water. So strontium has a +2 charge. You can figure that out from the periodic table. Carbonate has a -2 charge. You can figure that out from your list. So it's just going to be SrCO3. And now I got to balance these things. Okay, so we have one carbonate here. We have one carbonate here. We got one strontium here, one strontium here. We got 4 hydrogens over here, so let's put a 2 right here, and that takes care of the problem. So that is how we do this one. Let's jump down. Yeah, let's do the bottom one. So here we're going to have aluminum hydroxide plus HCl. That's, of course, going to produce water, and it looks like aluminum chloride. This aluminum is a +3, you could tell from that right there. And chlorine is a -1, so it's going to be AlCl3. And now I just got to balance it. So we've got, let's do chlorine. So let's put a 3 right there to balance the chlorines out. And so now we have 1 aluminum, 3 chlorines, 3 chlorines. Let's check our hydrogens. We've got 5 hydrogens, so that's not going to be too good for us. So let's see here how we want to do this thing. Oh, sorry, this is a 3. That's why it wasn't working out the way I wanted to. There's a 3 right there, so we got 6 hydrogens. That's gonna make it a lot easier. Okay, so put a 3 right there, 3 right there, and it looks like this is now balanced. Yeah, I noticed I had a 2 there originally. Okay, let's go to the next section. I'm just going to do one of these. I'll do E. So let's work backwards. We got lithium, which is a +1 charge, and we got, looks like BrO3, which must have a -1 charge if it's balanced with just 1 lithium. And so now we got to figure out which belong to the acid and which one belonged to the base. Well, this Li plus must have had a minus partner, so that must have been LiOH, right? Because, well, the lithium couldn't have bonded with the hydrogen before. So now the hydrogens, let's go like this. The hydrogens must have bonded with the BrO3, and it looks like it's just going to be a single one there. And you can tell from the charges. And it says we have to balance these things out, so it looks like it's balanced already. All right. Now I'm just going to do one from this bottom list. Again, we already did A and B together, so let's do this one. So NH4 is a plus charge, and iodine is a -1 charge. So the acid must have been HI, because remember, the pluses can only bond to the minuses. And the base, NH4, this must have been NH4OH. All right. And that's it. And that's how we do these things.